So listen, talk to me about Oxtails, your story, why you think you're gonna win this thing, and what should we expect?
I make the best oxtails in Atlanta, period, hands down, okay? With the oxtails, just make sure they're clean, rinsed off. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna marinate the oxtails in our nice liquid concoction with our seasoning. You get the garlic, the onions, the fresh thyme, chicken broth, get it to a nice boil, a nice curdle, some brown sugar in there, some extra love in there, a little snatch of habanero. That's the oxtails.
So what makes you think your oxtails are, say, better than my mama's?
I had plenty of oxtails in my day. I think I'm pretty keen to the flavor profiles that it takes, and that's just on period.